Looking to move your Bitcoin or earnings from ZBD to Coinbase. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data and funds from your ZBD account to Coinbase in 2025, step by step, safe and easy to follow. Whether you're cashing out your rewards or just organizing your crypto, this guide has you covered. Let's dive in. First is open your Coinbase. Click the transfer button. Next is select the receive crypto. Select the Bitcoin. Select the Lightning. Now enter the amount you want to receive. After that, click create invoice. After that, click the copy button. Next is go to ZBD. In here, click the paste and continue. Now here, check the details if it's right and click the check button, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your data or crypto from ZBD to Coinbase in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple crypto and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.